Hello, my name is Connor from Wrexham Volkswagen, and today I'll be showing you around this brand new Volkswagen Tiguan Black Edition. This Tiguan is powered by a 2-litre TDI 150 PS engine with automatic transmission. It's finished in the Dolphin grey paintwork with Black Edition styling. To the side of the vehicle you find the 20-inch York alloy wheels, and to the front the IQ.LIGHT HD matrix headlights that provide outstanding visibility. Other features on this Tiguan include a set of roof rails, rear tinted windows with passenger privacy, keyless entry, and area view cameras. Coming into the boot, which can be opened automatically, and you find the Tiguan offers generous space for everyday use, alongside folding rear seats, a privacy screen, and shopping bag hooks. From the boot you can also access the tow bar. Into your rear seating, and you'll find the interior to be fitted with a stylish cloth seating, which features a folding armrest with cup holders and ISO-fixed mounting points. To the front you find your vent controls and 2 USB ports. Moving into the cabin, and you find your front sports seats with manual adjustment, alongside other features such as wireless phone charging, USB ports, cup holders and storage inside the armrest. The heated multifunction steering wheel features cruise control and controls for your cockpit display. Behind the steering wheel you find your automatic gear stick, and on top of the dashboard your heads-up display. Moving on to the infotainment system, there are various ways to listen to media such as FM and DAB radio and Bluetooth connectivity. You can connect your mobile device for hands-free use whilst on the road. Apple Carplay and AndroidAuto is also available, furthering device connectivity. Navigation allows you to find destinations with ease and plan your journey ahead. You can access various vehicle settings. You can access your driver assist features. Driving profile is available with a range of drive modes for you to choose from. You can customise the colour of your display. You can access your front seats massage function. You can also customise your speakers equaliser settings. From the display you can also access your car's climate control system with heated front seat functionality. And on the roof of the cabin you'll find controls for your panoramic sunroof. I hope you enjoyed this presentation on the brand new Volkswagen Tiguan Black Edition that is now available to purchase at Wrexham Volkswagen. For more information on this vehicle, please follow the link in the description below, or if you'd like to run a test drive, please get in touch with our friendly sales team today. Thank you very much for watching, look forward to helping you find your next Volkswagen.